Guys, this is crazy, really crazy. The K-pop Demon Hunter? Seriously? Well, I have to admit, I've watched it too, and I know we all have been seen it and heard it before, right? So, and then one of the songs that called SODAPOP, it's been stuck in my head ever since. But here's the thing, in the middle of the song, you hear these Korean lines like 마시고 마셔봐도 성에 차지 않아. What does that even mean? Those Korean lines. Well, I'm here to help you to pronounce it and tell you the meaning of the Korean lines. It will help you to understand the song way better and then deeper. And then you could know all the lyrics and then sing it the whole song, right? Not just piece by piece in English. So now, we're gonna stop talking and we're gonna dive in. But first of all, what's the point of learning Korean line if you can't sing it at all? Right? So we need to practice pronunciation. So what we need is a recording device. You could use, from your phones or your just computer. Please take it out and try to record your voice. Now, I'll give you 5 seconds to pause this video and get ready to record your voice. I know it feels a little weird at first and awkward, but trust me, this will help your pronunciation. Repeat after me. 마시고 마셔봐도 마시고 마셔봐도. This is just a reference. Do not rely on this. It will end up sounding like English letter rather than speaking Korean. So please take this as a reference only, rather pronounce in Korean. Okay, let's practice again. 마시고 마셔봐도. Again, 마시고 마셔봐도. Right, now record your voice and then compare my voice and your voice. In order to make Korean sounds better, the first tip that I can give it to you is one letter for one sound. There's no dragging allowed. Like, don't drag your song like shaw, it's not xie, or do, it's not do. Okay, so first tip was articulate each one syllables by one, like 마, 시, 고, 마, 셔, 화, 도. It's not like man, she, go, as that's a characteristic of the English that sometimes it's dragging out all the vowels. But then in Korean, each syllable, one syllable has one sound. So 마, 시, it's not she. 마, 시, 고, it's not go, it's 고. And then 마, 셔, it's not shio, it's 셔. 화, it's not boy, it's 화. And 도, it's not do. So repeat after me one more time. 마, 시, 고, 마, 셔, 화, 도. Alright, next line is 성에 차지 않아. Repeat after me. 성에 차지 않아. So first tip that I can give it to you, Korean written word and spoken word is a little different. So 성에 차지 않아. It's a spoken word, but then when you write it, you have to write it 성에 차지 않아. Alright, number 2, sentence breakdown. Now, take your notes. Seriously, just don't watch it. Take your notes or iPad, whatever tools that you could use to write down some grammars or word. Alright, just bring it in here. Okay, so the sentence 마시고 마셔봐도. Basically, it's combined both 마시다 and 마셔보다. 마시다 is a dictionary verb to drink, and then 마셔보다 means like to try drinking. So 마시고, here 고, it functions as and to connect the sentence. And then 마셔봐도. So by using 도, it adds the meanings of even. So if you put all together 마시고 마셔봐도, even if I drink and drink. Okay. Next line is 성에 차지 않아. So it is a Korean expression. What I'm trying to say is that it can't be literally translated and must be understood it's commonly accepted the figurative meanings. Like 성 in this expression refers to one's standard and expectation or inner satisfaction. It's an old formal word and not used its own in a modern conversation. Okay? 차다 means to be filled or to reach something, like a glass being full. Okay? So 성에 차다 means it satisfies me. It meets my standard. But then we're bringing it 지 않아, which means not. So 성에 차지 않아 means it's not good enough or it didn't satisfy me. I hope this video helped you to understand a little bit better and help you to pronounce and help you to sing this song better. I'll see you next time.